This is the worst construction worker of all time.
He's fucking manicuring it.
He's having trouble opening the tarp. Too much work. So much work. Oh. Oh. I think he almost time for another smoke to hang out of his mouth. Oh, a little snow fell on the ground there. Oh yeah. Walk it out.
It's too heavy.
Give it another tug, bud. There it is. Ah. This is just priceless.
Gonna drop it and have a little chat.
Oh, man. This 5-pound tarp is really heavy. Ooh.
Look at this guy had to come help out. He's had
Unbelievable. This guy is just walk it out, buddy. Walk it out.
taking it for a walk.
Yeah, you're gonna arrange that tarp a little more. By the time he's finished, his hourly wage is gonna surpass the value of that tarp. Yeah, walk out that corner now. He's probably thinking, man, this job would be easier if I had 8 other guys to help me. Oh, walk over to this corner now. Oh, I gotta bend over again? Damn it. Oh.
Still feeling bloated from last night.
This is just priceless, man. This is good humor. I don't think he realized he's gonna go on YouTube.
He picks it up and just drops it. You take it all the way out.
Wait a second, this is gonna get better. He's gonna realize he's standing on the tarp. I can't shake it out because I'm on the tarp. Oh, there we go. Oh.
Somehow we're out here.
He's like, can you grab that corner? He's like, are you serious?
Somebody else holding their tarps, they just do them in the fucking hole.
This guy's a train wreck. Now he's got the tradesman waiting for him. There we go. So the tradesman, what's he get paid? 40 bucks an hour?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we get 25 bucks an hour, 40 bucks an hour, taking 15 minutes to roll up a $3 tarp. I'm going to show this to Susan. This is her work site.
Gillespie? Or not?
Fitzgerald.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is... Look, I'm going to have a break. I'm out of breath. Rolling this tarp is incredibly hard.
One up all the way for the start.
Another break. Walk away from it. I hate it. He says, I hate it.
I can't pick it up right now. I'll let this guy.
Where is he going? He forgot his tarp. Oh, look around.
Fixing his gloves again. They're a little loose.
There you go.
And he's gonna go back.
Oh, I don't think he knows where he's going. He's just going for a walk.
That was tough terrain over there.
He's got a good strut, though.
Yeah, he does. Hey, coach, what should I do next?
This is too good.
Do you still see him over here?
Yeah. You wouldn't believe the tarp work I had to do over there. It was heavy. Jeez. What are you doing, Fred? I gotta move all this wood around.
Well, it looks a little heavier than I thought.
This guy is too good.
want this one on top of that one?
Gotta love Canadian work sites. What's funny is he left his tarp
He's gonna get it
right there. Oh, he left it for the trades, but to pick it up. Which is
He knows the fucking dump truck's gonna come in here.
there he is. Poor tradesman's gotta take it over.
I bet he can carry this one go though. Oh look, he actually tied it up. What a smart ass.
There he is. There's our star. There he is. He's moving lumber now. 2 inches at a time. Oh my, look at this. Let's just move it down a little bit more
Let's
here.
move it from one pallet to the other pallet.
Look at this, how many times they've had to move that same piece of wood. This is awesome. This guy is incredible.
That must be his best buddy down there. Here, help me with this 3-footer.
See how many times they have to reposition this one. Oh, that one's okay.
Pretty swift.
That was the fastest one yet.
Look at this. You trying to tell me you can't pick up that fucking 3-foot thing? That's the heavy one, Jim. Puts it the other way. No consistency. Now he's taking his ass for a walk again.
He's got to look around and point at stuff for a minute.
Yeah. You're sure we need that one? You want to do that other one first?
And he hates it.
That ass isn't gonna make it between the
Oh,
street bar again.
oh, I think they're getting in trouble.
Can't figure out how to get through.